Hello and welcome back to the Food Truck Guide channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about if a six-figure income is possible as a food truck business owner. Before we get on to that, I just want to remind you that we have a food truck business community that you can join today. All you've got to do is hit the link in the description. It's the first one in there and you'll get taken over to our community. You can join for free at the moment, and if you do, you'll be able to access additional resources and talk to other food truck business owners about growing your business and reaching more customers. But for now, let's get on with this video, which is working out if a six-figure income is achievable from your food truck wherever you are based. The easiest way to think about this is there's a lot of hype in marketing out there saying you need to go viral, telling you about viral hashtags or different ways to do it. But actually, as a food truck business owner, we can make the whole process of marketing our business and building an income a lot simpler. There's this article, and it's known by the title 1,000 True Fans. I'm going to put a link to the article so you can read it in your own time in the description. But essentially it says, if you get 1,000 people who love your business to pay you a certain amount of money every month, then you can produce a successful, viable business. For a food truck business, this could be as simple as having 1,000 repeat customers every single month who come and buy a $10 product. So let's say you have only 3 items on your menu. They're all a combo meal with a drink and some food, and they're $10. If you can get 1,000 people every month consistently coming back to you and buying that combo, a choice of 3, then suddenly you are making $10,000 a month, and that's a six-figure income over the year. Not only that, but if you can get 500 people to come back twice a month, then you actually need to reach a much smaller audience, build a much smaller customer base if you can get them to keep coming back twice a month. And suddenly, being viral on social media is irrelevant because we're not interested in millions of followers or views or likes. They just become vanity metrics. What we're interested in is building a relationship with the audience, ideally through video because it connects better and we know it brings us the best returns on investment. But we are talking about 500, 1,000, maybe 2,000 people that you need to have repeatedly coming in to get over that six-figure mark for your business. We want to build connections. We want people to know you, your business. You want to rave about the food, what you do on a day-to-day basis, why the food is good for them. What things are you offering? Even if it's just something as simple as a free baseball cap or t-shirt for every 1,000 sales that you make. It doesn't have anything to do with going viral or having thousands of followers, millions of likes or views. All you need is to build those relationships, create those connections, and get people to come back. If you found this video interesting, and you'd like to learn more about building your food truck business and marketing strategies, head down into the description, click on the links. You'll be taken over to our blog where you'll be able to learn a lot more about marketing. If you got any value from this video, feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.